che liang a điền, duy phần su. Đưa, tê ạt cuyo trong sinh ping gu.
The gradient at the ridge is problematic. We're looking at extensive earthworks here.
The western slope offers a safer approach angle if we shift the center line slightly.
Okay, I have the reading. Mark this one.
Got it. Moving to the next section now.
Keep drilling. We need to reach the depth. Check the angle on the second rig. Almost there. Watch for dust. We have a deviation on the pressure gauge. Reduce torque.
Acknowledged. Reducing now. Maintain alignment.
Clear the blast zone. Moving to the next section. Charges secured at point 4. Perimeter secure. Fire in the hole.
Detonation sequence active. Counting down.
The fragmentation is excellent right here. The volume looks accurate.
Agreed. We can bring in the excavators now.
Bring that blade down slow. Looks good from here. Hold steady.
Easy now. Take it down another 2 meters and secure the base plate. We need to start drilling on the next section.
Make sure this tie is secure. The inspector is coming soon.
Yes, I am using the double knot method right here.
Lower the cage. Easy now. All right, hold it right there. Bring it down another foot, slowly, watch the connection point.
We're clear on the west side.
Looks aligned, set it down. Lower it slowly, watch the alignment. Almost there, bring it left a little. Keep it steady, watch the edge. All right, bringing it up now. Watch the edge over there. Yeah, I got it. Keep moving. Keep the line straight. It's drifting. Copy that. Adjusting the spray. Easy now. Hold it steady. A little to the left, perfect. Secure that beam.
Easy now, watch the lower left. Got it, looks aligned, secure it, secure it.
Lower it slowly, watch the alignment. Almost there, hold it steady.
The schematic shows this is the correct port.
Secured.
Yeah. We have a green light.
How's that connection holding up?
How's that connection holding up? Solid, boss. Ready for activation.
According to the schematics, this connection point is critical for the transponder data. Secured. We have full green status across the array.
Increase the frequency slightly on channel 3. We need to stabilize that waveform.
Turning the knob now.
Looks stable.
Perfect. The calibration is successful.
Keep it coming. Watch the alignment on the left.
Okay, hold it right there. We are clear.
Watch your spacing on this side.
Clear.
Almost done with this section, boss.
Step right up to the line. Scan complete. You may proceed to Gate 3.
The laser scan shows consistent tension across the suspension cable.
Confirmed. The anchor bolts are secure.
The successful landing of Flight 3 marks a new era for aviation.
Flight 121, you are clear to land on runway 28 right. Wind check at 300 at 5 knots.
Confirmed. Thank you, Center.
Center, Sierra Golf level flight at 12,000.
Roger that. Maintain present course for the mountain transition.
Flight 405 is now boarding at Gate 12.
Hurry up, kids. That's us.
Welcome aboard, sir. Thank you.
Ensure the sealant cures before the next approach.
Runway status is green. The systems check out.
Check that strut for hydraulic leaks.
Found a minor irregularity on the starboard wing flap here.
Okay, noted. Let's move to the rear.
This reading here confirms the previous spike we saw yesterday.
All right, I'm logging it now. We should increase the sampling frequency.
China Eastern Flight 2345 to Shanghai is now boarding at Gate A12. Please have your passports ready.